In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn off game chat and direct messages here on chess.com on both PC and mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up your settings. If you're on mobile, you're going to have to hit the little 3-line button that says more in the bottom right corner. And then from there, you can open up your settings. Or if you're on PC, just hit this little settings gear and hit all settings. And it's going to take you directly into your settings. Now, once you are in here, go ahead and navigate to the social tab on here. If you're on mobile, you have to go to play. But essentially in this section, you're going to see a bunch of different tabs like direct messages. Go ahead and toggle these on or off. Game chat, go ahead and toggle this on or off. But you could also choose settings like everyone, request only, friends only, or everyone, only friends, and nobody. Essentially, go ahead and set this to whatever you'd like. And then from here, all you have to do is just scroll down a little bit. If there is a save option, go ahead and hit it. Sometimes it just auto saves though. And when it does auto save, just back out and you're going to be good to go. But that is it. That is, you could turn chat and messages on or off here on chess.com. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.